25 projects trending on GitHub, let's run through them. Does transcribing audio and video feel like a privacy trade-off? Vibe with almost 6,400 stars lets you transcribe everything offline using OpenAI Whisper. It works completely on your own device, so your data never leaves. You can transcribe in almost any language with a simple user-friendly design. It supports batch transcribing multiple files at once. You get real-time preview and can summarize transcripts using the Claude API. It even supports Ollama for local AI analysis. You can translate transcripts to English and print them directly. It is optimized for GPUs on macOS, Windows, and Linux. It offers total freedom to customize models easily through settings. Do you ever feel overwhelmed trying to learn big data analysis with real-world projects? TurboWay Big Data Analyze with almost 6,000 stars, and yes, the content is in Chinese, but I will translate it for you. This repo is a collection of practical data analysis projects, each with a friendly guide, datasets, and a clear development workflow. It uses different tech stacks like Python, SQL, and HQL to analyze industry-specific data. The goal is to deepen your skills in data processing, visualization, and both batch and real-time stream processing. You can open the Jupyter Notebook files to interact with the code and learn hands-on from examples like user behavior, player data, or public transit analysis. Ever struggled to manage multiple customer service accounts on a second-hand marketplace without going insane? xianyu-auto-reply with almost 5,000 stars is an open-source system built to automate all of that. It uses Python and Fast API to connect to the Xianyu platform via WebSocket, handling real-time messages and intelligent replies. The main system manages accounts, sends automated responses, handles shipping, and even posts items for you. A sub-project handles affiliate tasks like selecting products and managing material libraries. It supports AI-powered contextual replies for smarter interactions. Everything runs from a single dashboard you can host yourself. The whole stack is built with modern web technologies for reliability. It aims to free up your time from repetitive marketplace tasks. Do you ever get overwhelmed trying to find reliable front-end learning resources all in one place? The front-end tutorial repo with almost 4,500 stars collects a Chinese developer's personal notes and tutorials from their daily work. It covers essential topics like JavaScript deep versus shallow copies, JSON-P principles, and modern CSS Flex layouts. You will also find reference guides for popular UI frameworks like Bootstrap and webui, making it a solid starting point for anyone learning front-end development. Tired of building separate user interfaces for every desktop platform you target? webui with almost 4,200 stars lets you use any web browser as your application's GUI. It is a lightweight, portable library that connects your backend, written in any language, to a modern web frontend. The front end can use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, while the communication happens over a fast binary WebSocket protocol. This approach keeps your UI consistent across different operating systems and browsers. You only need a web browser at runtime, and it includes a single header file for easy integration. It supports multiple platforms and browsers, making it a flexible choice for developers who want to leverage web technologies for desktop apps. Tired of creating yet another account just to use a simple web tool? Awesome! No login. Web Apps with almost 3,300 stars is a curated list that solves exactly that problem. This repository gathers free web apps that let you use their core features without any login required. It covers everything from document editors and file converters to games and audio tools. While some apps offer optional accounts to save your progress, none are necessary to get started. It's a practical resource for anyone wanting to avoid the hassle of passwords and signups for everyday tasks. Do you want to learn competitive programming by watching real code streams but struggle to find organized resources? Ericto's YouTube repo with almost 2,800 stars offers exactly that, a collection of codes from his streams and videos. It provides practical examples for algorithms and data structures you can study directly. The repository acts as a learning companion for aspiring coders. You get structured code to follow along with his explanations. This makes complex topics more approachable for self-study. Tired of guessing if your Godot game scripts actually work as expected? Gut, with almost 3,000 stars, is a unit testing framework built specifically for the Godot engine. It lets you write your tests directly in GDScript, the same language you use for your game logic. You can run these tests right inside the editor to catch bugs early and keep your codebase stable. Gut has specific versions for Godot 4 and Godot 3, so you just pick the one that matches your project. Its documentation is hosted online, making it easy to get started and learn the commands. This tool streamlines your development workflow by providing a reliable way to verify your game mechanics without manual playtesting every time. Do you wish you could play a rhythm game that feels truly custom and community-built? Phira, with nearly 2,400 stars, is a rhythm game built entirely in Rust. It supports Android, Windows, Linux, and iOS, with downloads available on GitHub and the App Store. The project welcomes contributions and has a Weblate page for translation progress. You can even email the team if you want to discuss deep development topics or contribute as a Rust programmer with rhythm game experience. Do you need to pull your fitness stats from GarminConnect, but wish there was a simple way to do it in Python? The CyberJunkie python-garminconnect library, with almost 3,000 stars, aims to be that simple wrapper. It provides a clean API to fetch your activity data and set new activities without manual scraping. The repository includes example scripts to get you started quickly and a full demo that organizes over 130 methods into 13 easy-to-navigate categories. You can access everything from daily health metrics and workout history to device information and training plans. This tool handles authentication and token storage for you, making it a practical choice for any developer building health-focused applications. Do you want to learn robotics but feel overwhelmed by setting up complex development environments? Robotics Essentials. ROS2, with almost 2,500 stars, offers a complete hands-on course to get you started. This open-source repository provides all the materials and exercises you need. It is designed for a university master's level course, but is perfect for anyone. You will work with ROS2 and Gazebo simulation without installing anything on your system. Everything runs through Docker, so it is completely self-contained. The exercises use the Andino robot to teach you autonomous navigation and mapping. All the practical coding is done in Python, making it accessible even if you are new to ROS2. Ever wish you had a single place to find every tool and resource for your next space-related coding project? Awesome Space, with almost 2,200 stars, is a curated list of space-related code, APIs, data, and other resources. It is maintained by the Orbital Index and includes sections for astronomy, visualization, and spacecraft software. You can find APIs like AstroBin for astrophotographers, tools for radio astronomy, and even data for missions. The list is community-driven, so you can contribute new resources or help keep it updated. It covers everything from learning materials to simulation software, making it a great starting point for any developer exploring the final frontier. Do you want to run your own Bitwarden-compatible password server without managing a full backend? Nodewarden, with almost 2,200 stars, and yes, the content is in Chinese, but I will translate it for you, is a server that runs entirely on Cloudflare workers. It provides a web vault, full sync, attachments, and TOTP support, all from a serverless setup. You can deploy it by forking the repository, connecting it to Cloudflare workers, and running a simple build command. It even supports custom domains and secret management for production. This makes it a lightweight, self-hosted alternative for personal or small team use. Are you tired of wrestling with complex infrastructure code when you just want to focus on your business logic? NServiceBus, with almost 3,000 stars, is a mature platform for building async.NET microservices. It lets you orchestrate long-running processes with sagas and run anywhere from on-premises to the cloud. You can monitor failures and performance using built-in tooling and open telemetry integration. It supports many message queues and databases like Azure Service Bus, RabbitMQ, and SQL Server. With professional support available, it aims to help you build better distributed systems with less plumbing code. Do you find it frustrating when brand logos and cloud icons are scattered across different press kits and random repos? The SVG, with nearly 2,100 stars, is the single source for over 6,000 SVG icons, including brands and cloud architecture. It organizes everything into searchable, versioned collections. You can install it via NPM, use the CDN, or even the CLI. It is tree-shakeable, TypeScript first, and works with any framework like React or plain HTML. The tool even offers an AI-ready MCP server for assistants like Claude, making it a unified toolkit for developers. Ever struggled with finding custom keycaps that fit both CL-Chalk and MX switches? KLP-Lame, with almost 2,100 stars, offers sculpted and curved keycaps for both switch types. This project provides ready-to-print 3D models in multiple formats for any CAD or slicer software. You get 7 variants of xianyu keycaps, including normal, tilted, and homing options with special thumb designs. The repo includes Blender and Fusion 360 files for previews and editing. Everything is organized into folders for assets, production, and different file types. It is a practical solution for custom keyboard builds. Tired of complex server setups that eat up your time and memory? Ferron, with almost 2,500 stars, is a fast, memory-safe web server written in Rust that aims to simplify everything. It handles high performance with support for high concurrency, and its built-in memory safety from Rust is a major plus. Automatic TLS with Let's Encrypt integration means you get secure certificates without the hassle. You get a simple, intuitive configuration with sensible defaults and comprehensive documentation. It also features a modular design for easy customization and a powerful reverse proxy for load balancing and health checks. You can install it from pre-built binaries for GNU Linux, Windows Server, or through package managers like Debian or Docker. Tired of hunting for high-quality music downloads across different sites and dealing with clunky interfaces? Music Download, with almost 2,000 stars, is a Python tool that lets you search and download songs from platforms like QQ Music, NetEase Cloud, and more. It supports batch downloads and lossless audio files, and the interface was even optimized with help from an AI assistant. You can set it up with a simple Python environment and requirements file, and it even includes scripts to package the app for Windows or Linux systems. It aims to make getting your favorite tracks a much more straightforward process. Ever wished you could automatically transcribe every element in a song, like vocals, drums, and chords? Omnizart, with nearly 2,000 stars, is a Python library that does exactly that. It uses research from the Music and Culture Technology Lab to transcribe pitched instruments, vocal melodies, chords, drum events, and beats from polyphonic music. You can install it with a simple pip command, download the checkpoints, and start transcribing your favorite songs immediately. It also offers quick start options for Colab and Docker, making it accessible for different workflows. This tool democratizes automatic music transcription for developers and music tech enthusiasts alike. Do you wish you could create a custom voice from just a text description without needing any reference audio? VoxCPM2, with almost 23,000 stars, is a tokenizer-free text-to-speech system that does exactly that. It uses an end-to-end diffusion model to generate continuous speech directly, bypassing discrete tokens for more natural results. The latest 2B parameter version supports 30 languages and can produce studio-quality 48 kHz audio. You can describe the voice you want, including gender, age, and emotion, and it will synthesize it for you. It also handles controllable voice cloning and multilingual input without needing language tags. Ever wanted to download Wii U games directly from Nintendo servers without jumping through hoops? xianyu Downloader with almost 2,000 stars is a Golang program that does exactly that. It gives you a simple graphical interface to browse, search, and queue up titles like games, updates, and DLC. You can download them straight to your computer, and it even decrypts the files so they are ready for your console. It supports filtering by region, name, or title ID, and can delete the original encrypted files after decryption if you want. You just pick your operating system, download the right version, and you are ready to go. Do you wish your coding assistant could understand your entire code base without sending everything to the cloud? Codegraph, with almost 35,000 stars, offers a local, pre-indexed knowledge graph for tools like Claude and Cursor. It reduces tokens and tool calls by making your code intelligently searchable offline. You install it with a single command and no Node.js is required. The tool bundles its own runtime for a consistent setup across macOS, Linux, and Windows. Once initialized, it integrates directly with your preferred coding agents. This keeps your code private while giving you semantic intelligence. It is a powerful way to speed up development without sacrificing local control. Ever struggled to create cohesive color palettes for your apps that follow modern design trends? Matugen, with almost 2,000 stars, is a cross-platform tool for generating Material U and Base 16 color schemes. It uses a custom templating engine built with Chomsky that treats colors as real objects, not strings, for faster and more reliable filtering. You can import a color in any format and instantly access all others like hex, RGB, and HSL. It supports piping, conditionals, loops, and arithmetic, and can generate full palettes for themes. Whether for programs or websites, it simplifies color manipulation into a streamlined workflow you can run from the command line. Struggling to find reliable course materials for your university classes? libpku, with almost 1,700 stars, offers a collection of resources specifically for Peking University courses. The project provides organized links to textbooks, lecture notes, and problem sets to help students study more effectively. You can browse by department or search for specific classes to find exactly what you need. It is a simple, static site that aggregates links from various sources. This makes it a practical starting point for anyone affiliated with the university looking for academic support. Tired of adding a heavy router just to handle simple page changes in your Vue 2 app? The Vue 2.0 Simple Routing Example repo, with almost 2,000 stars, shows you how to implement basic routing using only the native HTML5 history API. This approach lets you manage navigation without pulling in the entire Vue router library. You can clone the repository, install dependencies with npm, and run a development server to see it in action. It is a clean, lightweight alternative for straightforward routing needs, focusing on the fundamentals of how a single page application can switch views.